All right, so this is a live example of a live breach of the highest probability long reversal zone taking place right now. Notice the price action signal generated by Team Genesis Elite towards the downside. Bearish candle, nice long upper wick, and a breach already occurring of the highest probability long reversal zone. So we're looking at a high probability short side move that we're going to engage in here for roughly 8 to 10 minutes. We've got a 17:20 expiry, so that's just under 10 minutes, and we'll get into it now to capitalize on this move. This is an example of using ITM Genesis Elite's stall signals, continuation signals, and price action signals to your advantage in situations like this where there is a high probability breach about to happen that you can take advantage of. All right, back again, just over 10 seconds remaining here on this Euro-Japanese yen trade that is due to expire in the money. The trade was taken on the basis of ITM Genesis Elite showing a rejection at high strength with a price action signal that very aggressively bounced off of that high strength boundary inside of the highest probability long reversal zone. Secondly, what we also saw was price breaking through that region multiple times and had successfully exited that boundary. Genesis Elite has just revised its focus to bearish now, which was expected since the long reversal zone had been breached. We also had smart money at the time indicating that we are looking bearish since the bulls have not been able to overpower the bears, and we're looking at a very strong breach here. This is an excellent example of using price action with ITM Genesis Elite leading the way in terms of which boundaries exist where on your chart, on what time frame. And secondly, when ITM Genesis Elite points out a price action signal, which could be a rejection, which could be a continuation, which could be a stall signal, as you know, if you've been on the webinar with the 6 to 7 strategies explained there using ITM Genesis Elite, you are looking at a very high probability event as opposed to just any other price action signal. So as you can see on the chart there, none of these are repainted. ITM Genesis Elite does not repaint these signals. So as you can see, those high probability signals have a very high win rate because of the way they're generated by Genesis Elite. If you follow these in conjunction with other confluent factors shown to you by ITM Genesis Elite, such as the probability of the move at the time, where the price is in conjunction to everything else on your chart, what fibs you're looking at, all of this in-depth analysis is already done for you by ITM Genesis Elite, allowing you to be a much better trader on the charts. It takes away the stress of analyzing and being in a position where you could potentially doubt your analysis by giving you a predetermined high probability analysis of the situation. What you're left to do is to infer what you'd like to do from that point forward, which ITM Genesis Elite, of course, makes it extremely easy to do. Your decision making gets a boost, which at the end of the day is what you need to get that edge in the market as a good trader. Thank you.